barabalyo ka.
Pupil. Pupil. Ito na. Ito naman. Ito una. Ito una, pupil ito. I hear the blank teacher. Do you hear it? It's well. Ito na. Last. Yes, we do. Pupil. Yes, I do. Sabay tayo dito. Here are more. Pag nakita nitong abot number 5, ano dapat? Basa na tayo. Here are more sounds you hear in the house. Listen well. Pupil ko. Ay, ito, pupil. I can hear the blank. Ito sound. I can hear the blank. I'm right. Yes, you are. Pupil. I can hear the right. Akin ba kayo, Leo? Ikaw pala. I can hear the blank.
Close mo na.
Right. Teacher. No, you are not. Make another go. Sabay naman tayo dito.
Oh.
Oh. Ako na. Wala tong, wag magsasabi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Una niyo nga. There
Ito muna.
in your house.
Ito muna.
Let's practice. These are... Ayan.
4, 5.
These are the rooms in your house. They are the living room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. What sound do you hear in each room? Living room, bedroom, kitchen,
Anong daw sound?
bathroom.
Anong maririnig nyo dito?
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Papamoy mo na kasi yung kilikili ni ate.
We are going to play. I can sing in your close your eyes and I will make sounds. Then you guess what they are. Let's begin. So, do you hear something?
Dali,
Yes, we do.
pababarabalihan mo na dakulong siya.
Yes, we do. Ikaw na ba? Ikaw na. What sound do
Ikaw
you
nagbibidyo
hear?
nga ako. Ay, dali.
Hear that now. Ikaw. 1, 2. Huwag na yan. Huwag na yan. ganyan.
Bye! Ay,
Hear that again. Hi. Hello.
Alpay dito.
May pan dito. Look at the picture below. And let us do the... Ikaw yun.
Kalimutan.
Let you prepare the below. Ayun. Ikaw. Ito? Let's do the picture.
Nagwa!
What are we doing? Yes, we are wrong. Naman. Let's practice.
Laporisima.
Stand up and lower your back. Close your eyes. Listen well to the sound you hear. Teacher, what sound do you hear? I hear the book. Sound naman pipil. I hear the blank. Do you hear the blank? Class. Ay, ako. Ay, yes, we do. Yes, I do. Do you hear the blank?
Hindi.
No, we do not. No, I do not.
Eh, wala.
Let's do it. Can you make your own sounds? Let us play. Another
Diretso.
Tatanda yung tuldo ka. Tapos i-stop.
Ito naman, pupil. Pupil what? What do you hear? I hear blank. Hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? I do not. Do you hear? I do not. Do I hear the
Who's
blank?
your mother?
Yes, you are. Ika pa yun. Yes, you are right.
Who's your mother?
I am sorry for this wrong. Try again. Ito naman. Wow! Sounds like wag na yan! When you wake up in the morning, you also hear sounds from outside your window. Close your eyes and try to name the sound you often hear. Let's hear that. Ito na.
Sumabay ka nga doon, nung pa siya.
Can you ghost what it is? Ito na. I think I hear blank. I write.
Dito ka.
Wonderful.
Basta
You
na.
are your... Man, ikaw nito wonderful. Yeah. Inano ko na. I'm sure I hear. I'm sorry. I do not. You are right. Think you are right. Make another doubt. Naman. Here are more sounds you hear outside the house. We call them sounds of nature. Listen well. Sound. Listen. I can hear blank. Can you hear it too? Yes, we do. Yes, I do. Una. I can hear the blank. Can you hear it too? Sorry, we do not think so. We think in this way. Ito ba bagang? Ito I think it's the blank. Una. Sorry, do not think so. I hear something else. I hear the blank. Naman. Sabay. Draw a rain in the day. Tapos? Wait! Ano ba?
Diretso na, ganun.
Dapat dito tayo. Dali. Dito lang natin para abad ka dito. Wait lang. Dito lang ang ano ang dito?
Dito na.
Dito na lang, honey. Honey, dito na lang.